This is our plant pot before installing a plant, and this is it after. As you can see, dirt can get caught in the honeycomb structure, and you might think it's going to be pretty hard to clean all of that out. However, once you know what to do, it's actually pretty simple. To start, let's first go over what you're going to need. First, you're going to need at least one cotton swab. Then you're going to need some paper towels or a cloth towel. And lastly, you're either going to need a sink or a hose. Now that you've got those three things, we can finally begin. To begin, we're going to start by cleaning the honeycomb structure. To do this, you're going to want to turn your faucet on until you have pretty good water pressure, and then turn your pot to a 45-degree angle like this. You're then going to want to slowly move the pot into the stream until it looks like this. You don't want to go too far, or else water will flow over the top, which might cause overwatering to your plants. It might be a good idea to remove the drip tray here, for just in case you accidentally do get some water in there. Anyways, you're then going to want to spin the pot slowly all the way around. This should give the water enough time to shoot down into each honeycomb pod and push out any excess dirt. After repeating that for several cycles, most of the dirt should be pushed out, and we can then begin step 2. Take your cotton swab and wet it. You're then going to go along the rim and gently brush off any excess dirt that you see. You might have to use a little more force in some areas due to dirt getting caught deeper in the layer lines. You can then repeat steps 1 and 2 as many times as you want until the pot is cleaned. Once you've gotten your pot cleaned, we can then dry it with a towel. Just wrap your towel around the pot like this, and it should suck out most of the water from the honeycomb structure. You might have to do this a couple of times. After that, you can then set it in the sun to dry some more. With that, your pot is clean. Super simple. Hopefully this video helps you with cleaning your pot. If you randomly stumbled upon this video and would like to buy a pot for yourself, you can use this link right up here or head to the description and find it there as well. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your pot.